Hello, this is the Adria Twin Campervan All In 600 SP. It costs under 60,000 euros, which in today's market is relatively economic. I hate to say things like this, that a price of that nature is economic, and I know 60,000 is a lot of cash, but anyway, that's the way things are going. Nothing I can do about it. I don't make these prices up. In the back, as you can see, 6 meter long camper van, and we've got a lot of space here for storing things. If you opened up this door, you would see that you could even fit your bicycle in here. You'd have to, of course, sleep on that, but or take the bicycle out at night, and as the bicycle would probably be missing the next day, you wouldn't have to worry about carrying it anymore. Up here, we've got some storage as well for other things. Bicycle won't fit in there unless it's a particularly small bicycle. And down here we've also got storage. There you go. Close it, and there you go. I think I prefer drawers actually. No, maybe no, mind you, these things you get more stuff in them than you can in drawers. That is a step up to the bed. I'd have to put the bed down to show you, but the bed is like this to show you the amount of space. 6 meters, bear in mind, that's not a lot. 205 on the outside. There's a bit more storage there, so that's doing quite well so far. And here we've got a wardrobe. Now coming into the kitchen, as one would expect, of course, there is a fridge. This is a tower fridge from Thetford. Works two-way fridge, works off electricity. That is much better than ones on gas, in my opinion, because the gas ones, well, when it's hot outside, the fridge is inside are hot. I was just talking to somebody the other day, so it was 40 degrees, and inside his fridge it was 17. Inside the fridge, so 40 degrees in Croatia or something. And you know, it sort of defeats the object of having a fridge when it's 17 degrees in the fridge. If you were sitting in the fridge, you could be in short trousers. So anyway, that is why it's a pity. I know there are problems. A friend of mine came up with an invention actually to stop this sort of thing happening, and I think I'll have to report back on that. Actually, I didn't. Anyway, that's something for a different time. I do appreciate all forms of storage. I've got my doubts of something like this, particularly above the driver's chair. I mean, you could keep some full jam jars there, and when you brake, the thing would fall out and you'd wake up in hospital. So I want to show you the drawers under here as well. There you go, huge drawer. Didn't show you this either, did I? So I'm going to show you this. I did. Sorry, what I'm doing. Forgetting what I'm doing. Spice rack there. I'll close this. Mosquito net, really important. That is on a Citroen. And is there anything here I particularly wanted to show? Yes, ready to go. Look at that, 2,895. I'd say 2,900. 600 kilos of payload. So let's look at the back. So get more appreciation of this huge expanse of space in there. This thing here will go across there to and that's to sort of close it off should you want to. And in here we've got the gas cup. You get 2 large gas bottles. So in there, Adria had this ridiculous thing about only having one battery. Your internal electrics worked off the engine battery. They're now giving it a habitation battery, which is a pretty good thing. There you go. there's a quick look at this vehicle, the Adria Twin 600 SP Access. Far more information is available in the description, so please have a look at that. Thanks for watching.